Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video I am going to solve some mathematical questions. I hope you will try to learn something from every question. So the first question is, if y plus x power 0 equals to 3, we have to find out the value of y. In the above equation we have only the one unknown number, that is y. We have to find its value. For this we have written it as y plus x power 0 equals to 3, which implies that y plus 1 equals to 3, because x power 0 equals to 1, as anything raised to power 0 equals to 1. So we have written it as y equals to 3 minus 1. We have shifted 1 to the right hand side, or we can say we have transposed 1, which implies that y equals to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So the value of y equals to 2. Second question is limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2x over x. We have to find the value of the limit. So we have written it as limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2x over x. We have x as a common factor from the numerator, and we write it as limit x tends to 0, x into x plus 2 over x. We have x in the numerator as well as in the denominator, which equals to 1. So we got limit x tends to 0, x plus 2. We have given the value of x as 0 because limit x tends to 0. So we have written it as x plus 0 plus 2, sorry, which is equal to 2. So the required result is 2. Question number 3 is, if z equals to 3 iota, we have to find out the value of z minus iota whole square. Here we have to make the use of the value iota, which is equals to square root of minus 1. That is, iota represents square root of minus 1. For this we have written it as z minus iota whole square equals to 3 iota minus iota. We have whole square, we have substituted the value of z equals to 3 iota. We got 2 iota whole square. That means we have 4 into iota square, which equals to 4 into minus 1 equals to minus 4, which is the right answer. Now we have the next question, CLX over XL. We have to find its value, which represents the Roman numerals. Here C represents 100, L represents 50, and X represents 10. So we have CLX over XL, that is equal to 160, because C represents 100, L 50, and X 10, that is equal to 160. XL represents 40, so we have 160 over 40, that is equal to 4. The next question is, find the value of x. 3 power x over 5 power x equals to 5 power 3 over 3 power 3. Here we have to find the value of the unknown number x. For that we have to make the base on both the sides of the equation same. For that we have written it as 3 power x over 5 power x equals to 3 power minus 3 over 5 power minus 3. We have made the use of inverse law of proportion. So we have written it as 3 over 5 whole power x equals to 3 over 5 whole power minus 3, and we have equated the powers because the bases are same on both the sides of the equation. So we got the value of x equals to minus 3, which is the required answer. Question number 6 is, solve this quadratic equation. X square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. We have to find the value of the variable x. So we have written the given quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0 as x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. We have splitted the middle term 3x as 5x minus 2x, because 5x minus 2x equals to 3x, and 5x multiplied by 2x equals to 10x square. And we have x as common factor from first two terms, from x square plus 5x, and minus 2 as common factor from minus 2x minus 10, and we have written it as x into x plus 5 minus 2 into x plus 5. Now we have x plus 5 common from both terms. So we have written it as x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have the given product equals to 0. So either x plus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have shifted plus 5 to right hand side, or we have transposed it. We got x equals to minus 5 or x equals to 2, which is the required answer. So x equals to minus 5 and or x equals to 2 are the two roots of the given quadratic equation, which completes the solution. Now the last question is 8 plus square root of 192 over 4. We have to evaluate it. We have written square root of 192 as the product of 8 square and 3, and we got it as 8 plus 8 under root of 3 over 4. We have a common factor from numerator and denominator 4, so we got the result 2 multiplied by 1 plus under root 3, which is the required simplification. I hope you may have enjoyed the video and learned something from every question. Thank you.